Okay. So this activity is nothing but you can say one UI macro where we are putting all the details of work notes and comments in this file. So now we'll see how we can create a UI macro, one UI macro, and how we can put that UI macro into HTML, sorry, into form layout. For that, we need to first create one UI macro. Okay. So UI macro is nothing but you can say it's in the UI macro we need to write a JL script to get the data from server side. But now just we are creating a normal UI macro with just the HTML content. Okay. So this is built in you can say JL script. JL script is nothing but what the executable XML is a JL script. XML, normal XML language will use to just store the temporary data. To store purpose, we'll use XML for configuration of mid server, for configuration of your Java project, web project, and all. Okay. So now just I will create one small UI macro. I will write my first macro. Okay. I put the name and here just I will put some HTML content. Suppose h1 and here I will add this is my UI macro. Generally, we are using service portal pages now. No one is using UI macro, but in some cases, if you get something, so you should know how the UI macro is getting populated on the form. That is a activity stuff. Okay, so I have created the UI macro. I just save this. Now, after that, we need to create a UI formatter. So UI formatter is nothing but we are putting this UI macro, we are considering this UI macro as a field using a formatter. So just go for the UI formatter. Go to your formatters. So click on new. So name, I will put the name. What should be the UI formatter? And I will write incident macro. Formatter name should be your macro name dot xml. And for which table we are creating it, that I need to select here. For example, I'm doing it for incident. I will go for the incident. Let's submit this. Once you submit this, once you create the UI formatter, go to your incident form, reload the form. Right click on that form, go to the form layout. And here you can search incident macro. There should be incident macro of field. We have created the UI macro, right? Incident macro, incident this macro. Come on. There should be incident. Come on. Let me reload it. incident macro. Now search for the incident macro. Yeah, see, here we have incident macro. This incident macro I will put, you can say, after short description, above short description. It's not a field, it's a HTML content, okay? It's a JavaScripting component. This is my UI macro, right? In this way, if you want to do something, you can do here, okay? So this is nothing but how we can put HTML content, okay, in our form.